Let's learn how to mount the Ring Alarm Glass Break Sensor. First, let's choose the right spot to place it. You can mount it on a wall or ceiling, or place it on a shelf. We recommend placing it 7 feet off the ground or higher, and within 25 feet of your glass doors and windows. You'll want to place your sensor in a spot that keeps it out of the way of kids, pets, and accidental bumps. Now, let's look at how to mount it. The glass break sensor has 2 parts, the sensor and the mounting bracket. To remove the mounting bracket, look for the lock icon and gently twist the bracket until it's in the unlocked position. You can use the included mounting tape, screws and anchors, or simply place it on a high shelf. We recommend using screws if you're mounting the sensor on a ceiling or a rough surface. Use anchors too if needed. To use screws, simply screw the mounting bracket into a wall or ceiling. Next, line up the sensor on the mounting bracket and twist to lock it into place. You can also use the mounting tape on the back of the sensor. First, clean the mounting spot with alcohol, then peel the backing off and firmly press the sensor for 20 seconds. If you're looking for an option that is not permanent, you can place the glass break sensor on a tall shelf that is out of the way, but within 25 feet of your windows and doors, so it can detect the sound of breaking glass. Just make sure it won't get knocked over by a pet or person. Need more info? Visit ring.com/help.